Good morning. Today we're at a beautiful property, actually, a farmhouse just outside Ulverston. We must probably be here a couple of days, actually. It's quite a big property. So it's a wet dash property. So this is the garage. So today we're going to do this side here. There's a lot of algae, mould on here, really heavily stained, but it will clean up really well. This mould here. So this is Trentophilia, which is, again, is the red algae. A lot of people think this is iron coming out of the render, but it's an algae, and once we treat and clean it, this wall will look like it did when it was first done. So around this side, we're not doing the stonework, anything that is render. So we're doing this render here. Again, really bad on here. On this side, chicken is up there. And Sam's just wetting the side now. We've got up there. So today we're going to do to this area here. And then we'll go tomorrow. We've got this area to do. Be careful of these plants here. To this area. And then this gable. You see, it's quite a big property. All this will clean up. And then tomorrow we've got the front of the property. So, let's see how we get on with this one. You'll notice that the walls start turning red, and this is the algae bursting, really. It's reacting to the chemicals, and it gives off a carotene to try and protect itself, and it shows that it's the chemicals really reacting. You can see it's gone really bright red here, and then what we do is we rinse it off with hot water, and this is to remove the dead spores. So this is the first rinse at 60 degrees, low pressure hot water. So we're back at this property now at Ulverston, and today we're doing the back, but I'll show you what we did yesterday and how it's looking. So this is what we're doing today behind me there. So you can see it's this here, but I put some treatment on there yesterday, so that's how this wall's going to look actually once we've treated it and cleaned it. And this is what we did yesterday. There's a bit of water on there actually now because we just washed the windows again. And this, we're going to put a biocide treatment on the chimneys up there. And I'll walk down this side. So this corner was particularly bad, but you can see that's all cleared now. So this was very red, and then the side wall down here, this was particularly bad. You can see it's really cleared well. So this was bright red. Down here, this was obviously very dirty. And then this wall here, we did this. We got to rinse the bottom down there. So we're very pleased with that. Morning. Hiya. What do you think then? Have you? And it keep getting better actually. Sorry, just turn this off. See how the wall is reacting to the chemical. It goes darker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.